If you want a specific extension to ring on an inbound call, you use direct inward line programming. Let's say we want extension 105 to be the only phone that rings on an inbound call for line 6. And if the person at extension 105 can't answer the call, it should forward to voicemail and land in the mailbox for 105. To do this, you use programs 2202, 2207, 2402, and 2409. Let's start with program 2202. In this example, line 6 will ring directly to extension 105. To make that happen, you open the menu for line 6 and select the DIL option. And to make sure this also happens on nights and on weekends, let's change mode 2 to DIL also. After you select DIL, you need to define the destination extension for that trunk. To do that, you select program 2207. In this program, you can route a trunk call to a phone, a virtual extension, or a department group pilot, such as the voicemail pilot. In this case, I'm going to route trunk 6 to extension 105 for mode 1 and mode 2. Then, I'll save the change by clicking the Apply button. Next, we want to program the system so that these calls forward directly into the personal mailbox for extension 105. I'll demonstrate how to do that in 2 steps. First, you need to set the appropriate forwarding timer, and second, you need to forward the extension to the voicemail pilot. Let's start out by defining the forwarding timer. In part 1, you learned about the no answer timer in program 220104. You can use this timer for DIL calls also, but I'm going to use a different timer for this example. To do that, I'll click Collapse All, expand program 24, and select program 2402. The default delayed call forwarding timer at item 03 is set to 10 seconds. For this demonstration, I'm going to extend that to 16 seconds. Because this timer is shorter than the DIL timer found in program 220104, the inbound calls to extension 105 will forward to voicemail after 16 seconds instead of 20 seconds. Now we need to set the call forwarding destination for extension 105. To do that, you select program 2409. Next, I open the extension menu and select extension 105. At default, no forwarding is defined for the extensions. For this demonstration, I'll open the Call Forward Type menu and select Call Forward Busy No Answer. Then I'll set the trunk and intercom call forwarding to the voicemail pilot, which is $39.99 in this example. Because we assigned extension 105 as the DIL destination for line 6, the system will carry the digits 105 when the call forwards to the voicemail pilot. When the call is answered by the voicemail, it will look for mailbox 105. In this example, the system has a mailbox 105, and the call will go directly there, where the caller will hear the personal greeting for extension 105. Let's review the DIL programming. First, you go to program 2202 and assign the desired trunks as DIL for the appropriate modes. Second, you go to program 2207 and define the DIL destination. Third, you choose the appropriate no answer timer and set the desired time. Last, you set the call forwarding type and the destination for that extension. That's all for programming inbound calls on the SL1100. Thanks for watching.